Today's lab is the operational amplifier. We'll be dealing with the summing amplifier. The main idea here is I have this circuit, and if I input two voltages or two signals, the output will be the sum of those two signals. So for example, if V1 is 3 volts, V2 is 2 volts, V out will be equal to 5 volts. So what I have in my circuit here is an operational amplifier. I have 3 resistances, and what else do I have? I need a power supply and a function generator. So let's connect the circuit here. Okay, so this is the operational amplifier. So what I have connected to the inverting inputs is R1 and R2. So let's connect those. Okay, so we'll be using 10 kilo ohm resistors. So for example, let's connect this one over here. Put the other one over here. Okay, and then let's connect RF. So RF is connected from those two resistors from the same point to V out. So let's put this here. Okay, so this is V out. Let's connect these 2 points. Okay, so what else do I have? V out. Okay, so the non-inverting input, this one is connected to the ground. So let's just use a wire over here. We'll connect it to ground later. So let's start by the voltage input, so V1 and V2. I'll use a function generator, and I'll use a voltage divider. So here I have two 15K resistors. Connect one side to the function generator, the other side to the other wire. Okay, now what I'll do is connect these two, so I have the divided voltage to this resistor, then connect this part to this part. Okay, so now I have V1 and V2 connected to the voltage. What else do I have? Okay, so the power supply. I want to set this power supply to 15 volts. Before I set it, let's connect the negative over here to ground and the positive to ground. And you want to connect this one to the ground in your circuit, which is over here. Okay, so we also said that we'll connect this one, the non-inverting input, to the ground. Okay, so I have the negative and the positive to the power supply, which I will connect over here. So let's turn on the power supply. Okay, 15 volts, and I'll change this one so that it's 15 as well. Okay, now let's connect these. So the positive to the positive side, the negative to the negative side. Okay, now we'll use a multimeter. Choose the voltage. Okay, connect the negative or com to the ground. Okay, now let's measure the voltage in the first input, V1. So I'll connect it to V1. I have 2.9, so about 3 volts. Now let's connect it to V2. I have 0.8 volts. Now let's connect it to the output, which is here. And I have 3.7, which is the sum of V1 and V2.